Good morning. Problem number 21. Create a list with num, string, int, and float. So, example of code. My list 25 Python 100 3.410 run open parentheses my underscore list close parentheses. A list is a collection that can store different types of data in a single variable. In Python, lists are created using square brackets. In this example, the list may underscore list contains column. Double quote 25 is a string number. Python a text string 100 is an integer and 3.14 is a floating point number. Lists are very useful for storing related data together, such as name, grades, or mixed data types. You can access each element using its index, starting from 0. So that's all.